This is a really exciting time of year because we finally get to go back out in the garden, get our hands in the soil, and get to watch our little plants that we started from seed grow into the big plants that they will become over the season. So if you started transplants over the winter time or over the last few months, you know that you didn't have to use all of the seeds that came in an individual packet. So what do you do with them whenever you're done planting them inside or just trying to save them for next year? A lot of times we want to keep them in the refrigerator because it's an optimal temperature to make sure that your seeds stay viable from this season to the next season. And so oftentimes, if you don't have some kind of storage system, you can use just a plastic Ziploc baggie or some way instead of just throwing all of your seed packets inside of your refrigerator. One way that I really like to store seeds, because I've got a lot that I'm taking care of here, and so I have all kinds of different plants that I'm starting here at the Botanic Garden. And so what I like to use are these photo storage containers. You can get them at a variety of places. You can find them online. They're pretty cost effective and they do a really good job of keeping your seeds organized and stored together. What I like about it is that it is fairly airtight, so you don't have to worry about moisture getting in there and molding any of your seeds. So whenever you do this, I bought this size because I knew most of my seed packets would fit in these. But I have all of these different containers within here. So I'm able to organize them by the type of seeds that they are, by the time that I'm planting them, or whatever other ways that you would want to organize them. So for example, I have some of my cool season on this side because that's whenever I would start them is together. Then I have my warm season over here, and I have them separated by type depending on how many seeds I have. So there's all different kinds of options. So there's this option. And then this one, the packages or these little storage containers are a little bit bigger so you can store bigger seeds in them. So another reason that I really like these is because these are really easy to take to the greenhouse or to take outside. So if you're direct sowing a bunch of spinach or lettuce outside, you can just grab one of these that's designated for your lettuce or spinach or whatever you're wanting to direct sow, and you can just easily carry this outside. It keeps all of them together and it keeps all of the dirt off of it, and it helps also to repel some of the water that might happen if you're taking these around the garden. So whenever you're storing your seeds, you want to make sure it's an airtight container and that you want to keep it in a cool place like your refrigerator. But I highly suggest giving these a try so that way you can keep your seeds organized and ready to go for next season.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.